Hi YouTube. I have for sale this 2006 Ford Crown Victoria. It's a police interceptor model. It's pretty much straight all around. Get this leaf out of the car. Parked underneath a tree out here, Beverly Hills, California. This was formerly owned by the federal government. At least that's what the Carfax say. Car is pretty straight all throughout. Pretty nice and shiny paint. Let's take a look inside. Alright, side of the car open. This is the passenger seat. That's the dash. Pretty clean all throughout. No holes in the seats. All straight there. Let's move on to the back seat. Alright, and there's the back seat. You have all these seat belts and buckles in place. You can fit 3 car seats comfortably back here. Disregard that wire. I have some lighting hooked up currently. This is the rear of the vehicle. I will not be opening the trunk because I have not yet cleaned it out. This is still my current daily driving car, but I will be removing that upon someone's purchase of the vehicle. Let's fire her up. Okay, so I'm going to fire her up. This has the 4.6 liter V8. This is again the P71 Police Interceptor model. This one has the heavier duty shocks, cooling and charging systems, etc., etc. People who know about these cars know what they come with. This particular model though has the optional traction control, which not all of them have, which is a nice feature for sure. This particular one has 112,000 miles. It has the airbag light going off, so that will need to be addressed. This steering wheel is cruise control ready, meaning that the steering wheel was changed and all you have to do is bring it to a dealership to have them hook it up. So this car has LED headlights and turn signals, which have relays hooked up so you don't have hyperflash. It has a nice stereo, has aux, Bluetooth for phone and music, as well as I have a backup camera hooked up, which is that right there. It's pretty clear, to be honest with you. I'm gonna back up a little bit so you guys can see. Pretty clear though, a nice color. This vehicle has many new parts, including a new transmission that I serviced under my ownership with the receipts. It needs the AC to be charged with the new filter dryer. There are lots of other new parts: radiator, cooling hoses, upper and lower, etc. Thank you.